Welcome to the last video. We finally finished our luxury picnic table. Woohoo! So starting with day 7, I couldn't get over the fact that the table was too high, especially for my little ones. And after doing some research, I learned that the standard height between chair tops and tabletops are between 10 and 12 inches. So I made the decision, I can say that word, to shorten the legs. I had used the ruler as a guide since it's just over 12 inches, but then I remembered that I need to subtract the tabletop, so that's why you see the second line. Here you see the new cut lines and the location for the pilot hole that the bolt will need to go through. So my husband cut the legs and then he sanded them, cut them again, and then sanded them again, and then he curved them. He rounded the leg. There's more of that. More sanding. And then he started drilling the pilot holes. Well, the holes where the bolt's going to go through. And then we finally attached the side aprons. I wish we had done this part on the ground though. He drilled the pilot holes, then added the screws. I was only going to reuse the screws that came originally with the table, but it was not enough. I did find these old black ones, which we used. They were a little bit long, but still worked. I actually like the black ones, and they look so much better. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Sharpie on the silver screws just to hide them. And there you have it. That's how the legs fold.